Hey guys, Dan here again up in northern Minnesota out here at Spider Lake, and just thought I'd throw a quick little video together. I came out here today to try out a few guns, a few projects I've been working on, see how they're functioning. Man, what a fun gun. I got a fun one today. I think fun guns should have some assembly required, right? There's more to it than just shooting. And I gotta tell you, this is a fun gun. No, not the MP5. The MP5 is a fun gun, but today, what I'm talking about is the Wrangler, the Ruger Wrangler. Got my hands on this bad boy, and it's my first wheel gun I've ever owned. And man, I can tell you, I've been missing out all these years. It is a fun gun. It's just fun. It's especially for the kids. I think they're gonna have a blast loading and unloading this. There's just more to it than just picking it up and firing it. Doesn't eject the shells. Very minimal moving pieces. Super easy gun to operate. I think the kids are going to love this thing. It's a single action. A little bit about the Wrangler. It's a single action. You have to pull the hammer between every fire, which is, I think, it's just a fun little way to shoot. It's cold hammer forged barrel, aluminum alloy frame with a zinc alloy grip. Yes, I went up an obnoxious purple. I wanted to put something just crazy and different in there in the collection, and I think the kids are gonna have a blast with this thing. I just thought I'd throw a little video together for it. Very safe gun. If the gate is open, the hammer or trigger cannot be pulled. Of course, you unload it. You load it, unload it through the gate. The pin to remove the cylinder is extremely easy to remove. I noticed that right off the bat, where the slide works really well. It's just a fun cheap gun. It's a budget 22 that's extremely fun and cheap to shoot, especially in this current market. I got a lot of fun guns. This is my first wheel gun, and I'll tell you what, every time I go to the range, this bad boy might be coming with me. I've been practice shooting with it, just different off the wall things, some cowboy style stuff, shooting it upside down. That's really different to throw your hands on it upside down, around trees, sideways, doing the we've all seen the old westerns, but I just thought I'd show you that today. Man, what a fun gun. Other project I was out here checking out was I put a new trigger in the LCB2 Lite Rack, 22 Lite Rack. I've been adding a lot of 22s in my collection just because they're so cheap to shoot. And I got tons of 22 ammo, and with the current market, that's just it. But yeah, I thought I'd throw this together real quick for you guys, show you the Ruger Wrangler, tell you what I think about it. I was really skeptical about buying it, but it was cheap, and I thought, I've never had a wheel gun, why not? And definitely not disappointed. I'm gonna look into a few other things for it. I think I might change the grips. It's different getting used to that angle of the old, I'm not used to that. Again, my first wheel gun, but man, what a fun little bugger. So anyways, that's that. Real quick, in case anyone asks, yes, this is the Ruger LCP2 Lite Rack 22. Last night I put in the Sigurd trigger from Galloway. So far, happy with the trigger. Undecided on the gun. I shot it. I only shot like 20 rounds out of it before I changed anything on it, and I used a golden bullet. Just a cheap bucket-o bullet, golden bullets. It fired flawlessly all 20 of those rounds. Now, the only thing I've changed on it is this trigger. I did not change the springs. I just did the trigger only. And I'm using the Winchester bulk ammo. I'd say out of 30 rounds, I've had problems with 8 of them. So it's either the hammer is not resetting, it's not resetting the hammer, or light primer strikes. I had one, just light primer strike, it would not set it off. Don't know if it's the bullets or the ammo, or the bullets or the gun. I'm going to try it again with the bucket of bullets, because that's what I had used in it before, that it worked flawlessly, and see if I have the same problem. If I do, I might have to look into changing those springs anyways. But nothing else has changed other than the hammer, so the striking should be the same as factory yet. But that's that, guys. I'll be making some more videos and footage soon. Hopefully going to be doing a bunch more shooting soon. My range should be opening May 1st. So that's that. Just thought I'd throw this out there, guys. Be safe out there. Life's short. Remember, carry a nice gun. Bye.